This building is 100 years old. It was built back in 1925 by the original settlers. It's sitting right on the ground, so our floor is beginning to sag and collapse.
When you get people to sit down and you ask them, what do you love about the Yaak? Their hearts open up, and I think that's what the community hall could be.